So you just bought a brand new BMF grill for your 2013 to 2017 Ram 2500 or 3500 pickup. You're excited about the product quality and the installation. As we work through some important steps of the install, we will show you some things to keep in mind when you're ready for your own grill installation. We'll also talk about some of the benefits and advantages of the BMF grill compared to the factory unit. This grill is made from high quality T304 stainless steel right here in the United States. Because of the quality of the material, this grill will never rust. And because it offers more protection than the plastic factory grill, you may be surprised when it outlasts the truck itself. BMF offers their grill in two different finishes. The first is a traditional black powder coat that offers a strong finish that will hold up over time. The second finish is a more unique 7-step painted process. This glossy painted grill can make your truck stand out from the rest, while still offering a very strong top coat of protection. No other grill on the market offers a painted surface like BMF. Some cutting of the factory unit will be required during the installation process. Use some type of foam or other padded material and protective tape when cutting your factory piece to minimize the risk of damaging it. Avoid using cutoff wheels or grinders as they will melt the plastic rather than cut cleanly through it. Instead, use a body saw with a reciprocating blade to prevent the plastic from melting. Always make sure to follow the old saying, measure twice, cut once, so you do not remove too much material. Once the cutting is done, make sure to test fit the grill to ensure everything lines up where it should be. Once the install of the BMF grill is finished, your truck will have a totally new look, with the added bonus of having a stronger front end that will last longer, look better, and make you and your truck the envy of the road.